Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Shaisa Hafiz. I'm a physical therapist. Today I'm going to tell you about the precautions and home remedies of back pain. We are discussing about the back pain that cause our improper posture of lifting, sleeping and sitting as well. So we are not discussing about the pathology and whatever the background knowledge of it. We are just treating it at home. So before we are going on our precaution, let me discuss some main causes of our poor posture, which may include first of all the prolonged hunching. Prolonged hunching can put extra pressure on our back, which can cause the abdominal muscle stretch and strain as well. So this is one of the main cause of back pain. This is a mechanical issue, not a disease itself. The next one is unsupported sitting. Unsupported sitting is also another cause of back pain. Like the people sit prolonged with unsupported back may get back pain as well. The third one is improper lifting. Improper lifting is also another cause of back pain. Lifting weight with improper lifting technique is also hurt our back and cause back pain. The next one is leaning on one leg. The people that lean for long time on one leg also have back pain as well. The next one is prolonged sitting. Prolonged sitting is also another cause of our back pain, which cause our back and abdominal muscles weakness and overstretch, and also affect our blood circulation as well. Then lying on belly, reading or using mobile phone or other devices on stomach can change the dynamics of our spine and lower back, which also hurt our back. Then moving on our precautions, the first one is sitting. Sitting is the posture which we have to be corrected. So you have to sit with your back upright and straighten your spine, and your thighs should have to be rested on the seat. Next one is our resting posture. Resting posture plays an important role in our daily activities with our back hurt. So whenever we have a back pain or someone have back pain, they should have to adopt some precautionary measures while resting on bed. The first one is sleep on back with knees under pillow. You should put a pillow with maximum size under your knees so as to maintain the normal curvature of the spine. This could put not ever over extra load on your spine. This may support your spine to rest it on the bed. So the other one is sleep on back with pillows under your leg. So you put pillows under your leg, like below knee. You should put 1, 2 or 3, which make you comfortable. There is a difference with pillows under your knees and not under your knees. So under your knees can make your spine in normal position and support your back. In side lying, put a medium sized pillow under your both knees, between the both knees. So the next posture is picking an object from the floor. While picking an object or someone object from the floor, you should have to bend your spine. You should have to flex your hip and bend your knees and pick an object from the floor, same as like this in the video. So there are the 3 steps. The first one is to bend your hip. The next one is to just bend your knees, and the third step is to pick an object from the floor. So by adopting these some precautionary measures, you can get rid of back pain at home. I hope this will help you to get rid of your back pain. Hope you guys like my video. Thanks for watching.